Welcome, this is Austin from Tclassified.com. Today I'm going to be showing us how to go about registering the WAEC GCE that just started last week. As you can see, this is the website for the WAEC GCE registration. This is the one that is written, mostly written by August and September. So you can see this is second series. The first series has already been done around January, February, but this is the second series and it is the exam that is currently on WAEC GCE. You can see here it is clearly written, registration closes on the 19th 7 2019. That is the 19th of next month. We're in June now, so the registration is going to close on 19th of July 2019. Very important. So we have just maybe 2 months for the registration. So I'm going to be showing us how to go about doing the registration. This is the official website. You get to this website after capturing your biometrics, that is your photo and your thumbprint. So the website is https://registration.waecdirect.org/second series. So that is the web address. You can see it here. You can use it and get to this website. But getting to this website does not solve the problem of registration. So I'm going to walk you through the process. Now, once you get to this website, you can see where the route download for available subjects biometric capture software. This is the software that you are going to be using to do the fingerprints. So you make sure you click on this download so that you can download it. You can also you're supposed to have digital personnel scanner, that is the fingerprint scanner. So you can learn about the rules and regulation here. You can learn about the timetable by clicking here, or the syllabus. So everything you need is here. You can also download a form, a registration form that you can give students to be filling before you do the actual registration. So once you click here, now you'll be able to download the software that you're supposed to use to do this. So I've already downloaded the software, so I'm going to show you. So this is the software, WAEC November December. This is the software that you are going to be using for the registration. So when you double click on this software, it will open up, and when it opens up, this is what you see. This is where you do your fingerprint capture. This is where you do your fingerprint capture. So you type in the surname of the person, type in the surname of the person, type in the person's first name, or type in the person's other names. Type in a username that you want to be using for the next, anytime you want to log in to that person. Type in your email. So type in your email. Now type in a password. Make sure that the password is the same, and the confirmation, make sure you type a password you can remember. Now click on enroll fingerprint and put your 2 fingerprints and upload your passport here, and click on send button will come out, you send. So once you send, then you can be able to do other things. Once you've sent there, then you come over here, click on continue registration. So you have to do the biometrics first. So once you click on continue registration, put that username that you used for the other side, then put in that very password that you used on the other side, that is on this place. What you're putting is this username and this password. That is what you're going to put here, and click on login. Once you click on login, you're going to see that your passport that you had earlier uploaded here, you're going to see this passport, and you now fill in your subjects and other things and submit. So that is how you go about registering the second series GCE. Once I get a customer to register, I will walk you through it with a real registration so that you see how it is really being done with a customer. But if you follow the step that I just showed you, you'll be able to do it. Please hit the subscribe button so that whenever we release any of such videos that will help you, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions and concerns, please drop it on the comment section. You can always call our number and ask us. You can find it on our website. Please, very importantly, click the subscribe button, like this video please, and share it so that your friends can see it. Like it please for me. I'll be happy if you did. If you do, thank you very much. So subsequently I will be uploading a video where I'm actually doing it for somebody so that you follow through. But if you have any questions concerning what I've shown you so far, please drop it on the comment section. Thank you, and God bless you.